Good morning. Myself, Divya Kumar, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about the various elements of an automated system. There are about different parts in the automated system. Some of the three major basic elements are power, which is used to accomplish the process and operate the system, and then the program of instructions to direct the process, and also control system to activate the instructions. This is the block diagram which represents the basic elements of an automated function. The major basic element is, first one is power, second one is the control system, third one is the program of instructions. First we are going to discuss about the power, which is used to accomplish the automated process. The principal source of power in automated system is electricity. Electric power has many advantages in automated as well as a non-automated process. Electric power is widely available at moderate cost in compared to that of the other forms of energy. It is the important part of the industrial infrastructure. And then electric power can be readily converted into alternative energy forms such as mechanical, thermal, light. We can convert the electrical energy into acoustic form. We can convert electric power into hydraulic, and also we can easily convert the electric power into pneumatic forms of energy. And then electric power at low levels can be used to accomplish functions such as signal transmission, information processing, and data storage and communications. With the help of electric power, we can convert signal, we can transfer the data, we can communicate with one machine to another. These are all some of the advantages while using an electric power. And then electric power can also be stored in the large batteries for use in locations where an external source of electric power is not conventionally available. This is some of the example of common manufacturing process and their power requirements. Whereas in case of casting, the power requirement is in the form of thermal energy. Whereas in the case of electrical discharge machining, electrical power. And in case of forging, we are in requirement of mechanical power. And also in case of heat treating process, we need a thermal energy to convert the raw material into a finished product. And also power is also required for the following material handling functions such as loading and unloading of the work unit, and then material transport between the operations, and then controller unit, and then power to activate the control signals. This is one of the basic element in case of an automated system, that is power. Next one is program of instructions. In case of program of instructions, we need to determine what is the process parameters, whether it is a continuous or else a discrete process, and also we want to determine the number of steps in the work cycle. For example, what are all the sequence in the production process? If we want to convert the material from raw material into a finished product, there are many sequence of operations. We want to determine what are all the various sequence of operations like loading, processing, unloading, etc. And also we want to know about the manual participation in the work cycle, and also we want to know operator interactions and variations in part or product styles, and then variations in starting work units. In case of manual participation in the work cycle, is a human worker required to perform certain steps in the work cycle such as loading and unloading a production machine, or is the work cycle fully automated? We want to determine whether it is a fully automated process or a human worker is required. In case of operator instruction, is whether the operator required to enter the processing data. That means if we want to input certain data into the machines, we want to specify it. And then next one is the variations in part or product styles. Are the work units identical each cycle as in mass production, that means fixed automation, or batch production in case of an programmable automation, or different parts or product styles processed each cycle in case of a flexible automation. Next one is variation in starting work units. Variations can occur in starting dimensions or materials. If the variations are significant, some adjustment can be required during the work cycle. Next important basic elements for the automated system is a control system. The control element of an automated system executes the program of instructions. With the help of a control system, we can run the program of instructions. We can run the program. The control system causes the process to accomplish its defined functions, which is to perform some manufacturing operations. The controls in an automated system can either be in a closed loop system or it can be in the form of open loop system. A closed loop system is also known as a feedback control system. This is the block diagram of an example of a closed loop control system. It has controller, actuator, process, feedback, sensor. And then this is an example of an open loop control system. The major difference between closed loop control system and open loop control system is, in case of closed loop control system, there is a feedback sensor. With the help of feedback sensor, we can control the output variable. Whereas in case of open loop control system, it does not have a feedback sensor. We can't able to control the output variable. Closed loop system can be used in case of critical multitasking program of instructions, whereas open loop control system can be used in case of simple task program of instructions. Thank you.